Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing the top 15 superfoods for optimal health. These nutrient-dense foods can provide numerous health benefits and improve your overall well-being. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health content. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows that blueberries can improve brain health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Kale is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and fiber. It's known for its cancer-fighting properties and can help lower cholesterol. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition and Cancer highlight kale's potential in reducing cancer risk. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart and brain health. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that consuming salmon can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, and iron. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry suggests that quinoa can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote gut health. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. They can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that avocados can lower LDL cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health. Chia seeds are high in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. They can help with digestion, weight management, and heart health. Studies in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that chia seeds can reduce inflammation and improve metabolic health. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron. It's known for its benefits to eye health, reducing oxidative stress, and improving blood pressure. Research in the journal Nutrients highlights spinach's role in enhancing antioxidant defenses. Greek yogurt is high in protein, probiotics, and calcium. It supports digestive health, strengthens bones, and can aid in weight loss. Studies in the British Journal of Nutrition indicate that Greek yogurt can improve gut health and boost the immune system. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, vitamins A and C, and fiber. They help improve vision, boost the immune system, and regulate blood sugar levels. Research in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that sweet potatoes can enhance immune function and gut health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. It's known for its potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies in the journal Advances in Experimental Medicine and Biology support turmeric's role in reducing inflammation and improving brain health. Almonds are high in healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. They can help lower blood sugar levels, reduce blood pressure, and lower cholesterol levels. Research in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that almonds can improve cardiovascular health. Broccoli is rich in vitamins K and C, fiber, and several antioxidants. It's known for its cancer-fighting properties and can support immune health. Studies in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlight broccoli's potential in preventing cancer and improving overall health. Garlic contains allicin, which has potent medicinal properties. It's known for its ability to boost the immune system, reduce blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Research in the journal Food and Chemical Toxicology supports garlic's role in enhancing immune function and reducing cardiovascular risk. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins. It can help improve brain function, aid in fat loss, and reduce the risk of cancer. Studies in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry show that green tea can enhance metabolic health and provide protective effects against various diseases. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids. It can improve heart health, boost brain function, and reduce inflammation. Research in the journal Antioxidants highlights the benefits of dark chocolate in reducing oxidative stress and improving cardiovascular health. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, from improved brain function to reduced risk of chronic diseases. Aim for a balanced and varied diet to optimize your health. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health content. Thanks for watching, and here's to your optimal health.